China is no longer just a country on the map, it is a machine reshaping the world. But can this powerful machine keep growing, or is it slowly beginning to lose speed? To understand China today, look at three phases: the factory, the laboratory, and the control room. In just a few decades, China transformed from poverty into an industrial power at extraordinary speed. For years, China became the place where the world made its products. Millions of workers left rural villages and moved into cities to feed the industrial machine. Ports became the bloodstream of China's rise, carrying goods across oceans and into global markets. Global supply chains slowly began to depend on China's speed, scale, and coordination. Even everyday products in homes around the world became quietly connected to China's factories. China's growth was powered by exports, investment, construction, and massive urbanization. Villages became cities, cities became megacities, and megacities became symbols of national ambition. China built cities not only for people but also for the engine of economic growth. Real estate became one of the biggest engines behind local growth and investment. Then came the infrastructure wave: roads, railways, bridges, ports, airports, and massive projects. High-speed rail became a symbol of how fast China wanted to connect itself. Every mega project sent the same message: bigger, faster, and more connected. Infrastructure was not just construction, it was a tool for coordination, control, and growth. But China did not want to remain the world's assembly line forever. The real value was higher up: design, software, brands, and core technology. China poured resources into engineers, research labs, and strategic technology sectors. Inside China, digital platforms became part of everyday life at enormous scale. E-commerce connected factories, platforms, delivery networks, and consumers into one fast-moving system. Electric vehicles became one of China's clearest attempts to lead the next industrial era. Batteries and green technology gave China another path to global influence. As wages rose and the workforce aged, automation became more important. But one technology remains especially difficult: advanced semiconductors. This is why self-reliance became a central theme in China's technology strategy. Now artificial intelligence has become one of the most important arenas of competition. China's scale gives it a powerful advantage: enormous markets and enormous data flows. But AI also requires compute power, advanced chips, energy, and massive data centers. Talent is another pillar: engineers, coders, researchers, and technical workers. China's state can direct capital, policy, and attention towards strategic industries. For China, AI is not just business, it is economic, strategic, and political power. But the same technology that creates efficiency can also create control. Surveillance, facial recognition, and data collection raise difficult questions about privacy. Digital platforms can connect society, but they can also shape what people see and say. The key question becomes simple: who owns the data and who controls it? China's model often presents a trade-off between efficiency, stability, and personal freedom. But the old growth model is no longer as easy as before. Property, once a powerful engine, has become one of China's biggest pressures. Many local governments borrowed heavily to build, expand, and keep growth moving. Debt pressure is now one of the hidden weights inside the system. To grow differently, China needs consumers to spend more with confidence. Young people face a more uncertain job market than during the boom years. Demographics add another challenge: fewer young people and more elderly citizens.